mRNA synthesized in the nucleus from the DNA by transcription mechanism. Synthesized mRNAs are contains genetic information. That genetic information carries from the nucleus to cytoplasm. Genetic information carries from the nucleus to cytoplasm. So this RNA is called messenger RNA. What is message here? It is genetic information carries from the nucleus to cytoplasm through the mRNA. So mRNA synthesized by the DNA during the transcription mechanism in the nucleus. It enter into cytoplasm with genetic codes. If that mRNA enter into cytoplasm, that mRNA is called matured mRNA. Matured mRNA contains 5 major parts. One is 5-methyl guanine cap. Second one is initiation codon. Third one is genetic coding sequence for polypeptide chain. And fourth one is stop codons or termination codons. And fifth one is polyadenine tail. So first we discussed about the 5-methyl guanine cap. The 5-methyl guanine cap present at the 5' of mRNA. Mainly it protected from the nucleic acid reactions. mRNA, total mRNA protected from the nucleic acid reactions with the help of 5-methyl guanine cap. Then after 5-methyl guanine cap, initiation codon is present. The initiation codon mainly AUG. It is in eukaryotic as well as in prokaryotic also AUG initiation codon. The AUG initiation codon in eukaryotic, it refers to methionine amino acid. Methionine amino acid. But in prokaryotes, same AUG initiation codon refers to formal methionine amino acid. Formal methionine amino acid. After AUG initiation codon, coding sequence is present. The coding sequence mainly helps in the synthesis of polypeptide chains. Synthesis of polypeptide chains with the help of ribosomal RNA and tRNA. So this zone is called coding sequence zone. After this coding sequence zone, termination codons are present. The termination codons are mainly 3. One is UAG, UAA, UGA. From these 3 codons, any one codon is present at the terminal part of coding sequence. So this coding is also called termination codon. Termination means polypeptide chain is terminated from this coding sequence. So this coding is called termination coding sequence. Then after this termination coding sequence or termination coding, polyadenine tail is present. The polyadenine tail, poly means more number of adenines are repeated on the mRNA at the 3' or after termination coding sequence. So these part is called polyadenine tail. Polyadenine tail. So these are the 5 major parts present in the mRNA. First one is 5-methyl guanine cap. Second one is initiation codon. Third one is coding sequence. Fourth one is termination codon. And fifth one is polyadenine tail. The main function of mRNA is it carries genetic information from the nucleus to cytoplasm. See children,